Hello. Now let's solve for the weighted average. So in weighted average, we have the value, the x value, and we have the weights. So there will be cases that each element has different weights. So what do I mean by that? For example, you have here subjects. Then these subjects have different number of units. Of course, thesis, in our case, is 5 units. It has a bigger weight compared to statistics, which is just 3 units. So how do we solve the average if each values have different weights? So to solve that, all you have to do is multiply the units with the grade. And then you just drag it down, so Excel will copy the formula of multiplying the units with its corresponding grades. And then you will add the units times grade. You will sum everything. And then you will sum also the units. Now you sum the weights. So be careful. Be sure to sum the weights, not the grades. So we sum the weights, and that is 18.5. To get the average, all you have to do is this one divided by this one. And that is the average grade.